Hey there, today we are leaping into a mysterious world of a new coronavirus, a threatening, looming on the horizon. Join me on this journey as we uncover what's new in the world of viruses. A microscopic entity with a ground structure like a causing waves across the globe. The new coronavirus named Pirola JN-1, a new coronavirus strain, is the latest headline in the virology. Hold on to your seats because this isn't your average virus. Pirola JN-1 has set off alarms worldwide, disrupting lives, economies, and routines. But fear not, we have got the scoop on what you need to know. No, don't panic. There is a hero in a story. Prevention will show you how simple steps like hand washing, mask wearing, and keeping a distance can be your shield against the invisible foe. Buckle up for some myth busting. There is a lot of misinformation out there. Stick with trusted sources to get the real deal on staying safe and healthy. Amidst the chaos, let's celebrate the unsung heroes, healthcare workers, scientists, volunteers, healthcare workers. Together, they are standing tall, fighting against the odds and inspiring hope. Stay tuned, explorers. Remember, we are all together. Keep those masks on. Wash those hands like you just touched a pile of treasure. And let's beat this virus one step at a time. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe.